drink a sufficient amount of water, as mercury soars, and states are gripped by a heat wave. Staying hydrated while fasting becomes essential. Do drink at least 2 liters of water to remain hydrated for the day during the fast. The tip is to eat sehri at least half an hour before the time for fajr, so you have at least 30 minutes to just drink water. Sip gradually, and not chug up all at once. Avoid tea and coffee, as they can drain your balanced body temperature. Pre-meals during sehri include nuts and seeds that are rich in protein, as well as fiber. These also keep you full for longer periods. After a break of 30 minutes, consume your main meal. Keep a check on the iftar meal while feasting on your favorite delicacies is irresistible after observing the fast for the entire day. One should not forget to keep a check on the iftar meal, in order to start the next day of fasting with a light stomach. Dates are must rich in vitamin K. Dates are helpful to make your body cells store fluids, as they are a natural source of glucose. It is also a tradition to include them in the meals. Dates are also rich in copper, selenium, and magnesium. Don't miss yogurt. Apart from juicy fruits and vegetables, the best food to have for sehri is yogurt. Yogurt soothes the stomach and helps prevent acidity, eventually protecting against dehydration. Avoiding salty, spicy, and high in sugar food is a common tip for every person who is observing the fast during Ramadan.